In the opening weeks of 2021, an unprecedented series of events unfolded, events that would send shockwaves across the globe and would have far-reaching implications for the future. This script will take you through a journey of these recent happenings and their potential impact. The narrative began with Hezbollah leader Syed Hassan Nasrallah expressing concern over recent events in the United States. He prayed for global protection until the inauguration of President-elect Joe Biden on January 20th. Nasrallah criticized President Donald Trump, calling him a crazy fool and expressing fear over his control of the nuclear button. A strong condemnation followed for the storming of the U.S. Capitol, stating that it showed Trump's willingness to harm his own citizens to maintain power. Nasrallah linked this event to Trump's actions in other countries over the past 4 years. Simultaneously, tensions between the U.S. and Iran escalated, coinciding with the anniversary of the U.S. killing of Iranian General Qasem Soleimani. Meanwhile, in a separate development, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov expressed hope that President Vladimir Putin would run for another term in the upcoming Russian presidential election, potentially extending his rule until 2030. A few months down the line, in July, the focus shifted to climate change, as extreme weather events around the globe renewed the urgency for scientific forecasts. Deadly flooding in China and Europe, record-breaking temperatures in Canada, Finland and Ireland, wildfires in the U.S. and Brazil, and record drought in the U.S. West all pointed towards the need for updated climate research. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, began finalizing its 6th assessment report, which aimed to focus more on extreme weather and regional impacts. The report, set to release on August 9th, was expected to guide governments in crafting environmental policies. However, there were still uncertainties in how climate change would manifest, particularly at a local scale. The Earth's jet streams and their response to shifting temperatures were still not fully understood. More research was needed to understand the amplification of climate change impacts. In summary, the early part of the year 2021 presented a tableau of global events and concerns. From political tensions to climate change, these events have set the stage for a year of significant challenges and changes. The world watched as leaders grappled with these issues, and the outcomes of these events will undoubtedly have lasting effects on international relations and the global climate for years to come.